Our old new inverter is back on the market. The 5 kilowatt converter is now available again. We managed to make a model that costs less than £500, approximately $590 only. It is the simplest off-grid inverter you can find in the market. It doesn't have so many communication ports, it doesn't have Wi-Fi, it doesn't have an AC timer, but it is just an off-grid system that you can build in a few minutes. It's so easy to set it up. We have 3 operating modes only. It is compatible with lithium-ion batteries, AGM batteries and lead-acid batteries. It's so easy to navigate in menu 5 and connect the BMS cable to the battery, and the system will automatically recognize what battery you are using. In that case, we have a US 5000 from Pylontech. If you have lead-acid or AGM batteries, the equalization function is built in. We adapted the new firmware for this inverter. Even if it is an old inverter, very basic inverter, it has cutting-edge software with all the important specifications. It's so easy to set it up. Just the AC output cable. In our case, we connected 1.6 kilowatt heater as a heat gun. AC input, 48 volt battery terminals, PV input. We have only a single MPPT up to 4000 watts. This is the communication port for the battery. It is called BMS, and next to it we have a communication terminal for programming the inverter or monitoring the inverter using watch power. Such a simple device. We like it because any DIYer, if he's gonna go through the manual of this inverter, can set up his own off-grid system within a few minutes. If you have any questions, let us know and we will guide you.